Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode we are going to go from Cavelossim beach to Mobor beach. It is very close by, again a 10-minute walk. And in today's video I'm going to show you how the beach looks and what is open. So yeah, okay, so as you can see, I am at Cavelossim beach. The entrance is on the left, right there. And this is how the beach looks. Not a lot of tourists. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Not a lot of tourists, not a lot of traffic. It is 4 in the evening because apparently this is the time that I only shoot videos at. Anyways, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe, as I am currently living here in Goa and I'll be doing more videos about Goa. So as you can see, the lifeguards are present. The people are enjoying themselves. The dogs are present too. The flags which say that you shouldn't swim are also present. Usually they are shacks, but as you can see, the beach is not a lot, and there are signs, which for the first time I'm seeing that there are signs which saying danger. So that's interesting. I've never seen that. That's the first time on any beach over here that I've seen a sign which says danger, strong current, no swim zone. Then again, I think people do understand that a red flag means no go. But why is it only on one beach? We've got like a ton of stretch of beach right there. It's the only beach which has that. As you can see, as you go towards the mouth of the river of Sal, there are less people and there are less things actually. So it's actually quite calming and peaceful walk. See, the sea has, especially this gutter part, has come close. So there's absolutely no part of the beach left. And this is the lifeguard booth. Watchtower, whatever you may call it, has also completely almost destroyed. The erosion is horrible. Look at this. Oh my. Look at it. So yeah, and there is lots of garbage, but then again, what can you do? This is actually one of the 3 beaches which is not very populated with buildings and stuff. So it's actually very nice to come out and just go for a walk, because it's there's nothing, just pure beach, the trees and the beach, and there's nothing else. So yeah, we got some trash cans which again have been piled up in the number of thousands and have not been put on the beach. I don't know why. There are people, as you can see. Who knows? So yeah, continuing on. And also I especially love these trees. I have no idea from where they are, but they've only been, I've seen them only on 3 beaches in all of Goa. Only 3 beaches have these trees. One's this one, Medalbatim, and the other one, which is the top north beach, which is Kerim. I hope that I pronounced it correctly. These are the only 3 beaches which have these trees, and they're so nice. I mean, they don't provide any sort of sun protection, but they're just pleasingly to look at, you know. Again, trash cans over there for some reason just piled up. Also, the weather again has been fortunate and is in my favor. It's not raining, even though just a couple of minutes ago there was a huge rain cloud, but again it passed. So yeah. You keep on moving forward. There's absolutely nothing on the left side, just grass. Now, of course, it's not like that always. You know, there are shacks, because as you can see, there are little tiny paths between the bushes. So here's one shack. Then further down there should be 3, 4. On clear days, if you're here, the visibility is insane. Today is not such good visibility, so you can't see that far. Kind of like a misty thing. If the visibility absolutely high, you can see the mountains. It just looks amazing. You keep on moving and they're just trees. Very nice, very calm beach. And again, there are people. Apparently, every time I come to the beach, there are some people fishing, putting a net out there and expecting fish to come. Let's see what they catch this time on this beach. I think I should actually compile them, all the instances of me spotting fishermen pulling out something from the sea and actually seeing what is the success rate. Because apparently every beach has some people just putting nets in them. So yeah, so as you can see, the waves have been crashing a lot. I mean, this thing is half my height. Look at it. And look how nicely cut it is. It's like a steep drop off. Like how does that happen? Yes. Alright, continuing on. Alright, have they caught anything? I mean, I think it's pretty big net, so I don't think I'm gonna waste time. Wow. Wow. Absolutely no people. Absolutely no people. This complete stretch of beach is just for me. And of course, some garbage. We have opening here. What is this supposed to be? Is this a road to something? Is it? Yes, it is. They are toy tracks. So that means in this location there is a shack. Now the height is this is my whole height. What? Look at it. That's insane. And all the roots. Another interesting thing, like I've seen people fish with nets, but I've never seen people, especially like on this from here, like on all the beaches, I've never seen anyone fish with a rod. Now near Betul over there, people do fish because it's like an inlet, but on these stretches, I've never seen anybody. Yeah, see, he's got crabs, a lot of crabs. We got a hut, and this is a fisherman's hut, I suppose. Do I see a boat? Not exactly. I have no idea what those things are. But yeah, it is a... Yeah. These are for the boats. Okay, over here the beach is actually massive. Look at it. It's huge. We also got a cow. Okay, we've got a whole ass. It's a bunch of them. Some event probably. So they're setting their stuff up. Let me catch my breath. And cows. Trying to sell the goods to unwilling customers. Oh, there's the name. It's called Beach Grill. It's a restaurant. Oh, okay. Nice place. So alright, the entrance is over there to Mobor beach. It is a tiny road, so two cars can get past each other, but and the parking space is a bit a bit less. So if you want to, you can park it on the main road, which, you know, the main road is actually pretty big. So yeah, that's it. And again, I will put the locations of everything, as you all know. So yeah, that's it. Oh, look at that. They are following me. Look at them. I hope I won't get mowed down by them. Alright, so that is the entrance. As you can see, the cars are here. So yeah, anyways, thank y'all if y'all have stayed so far till now. Thank y'all for watching, and of course subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps me and boosts me a lot. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching, and leave a like for these cows. See you on the next video.